There's a revolutionary way that artists are making money from their creativity, and it's changing lives around the world. This new art form can be created in minutes and sold instantly to customers ready to buy. And if you're an artist, designer, or just someone who loves to express themselves through visuals, then this could be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of digital prints on Etsy, exploring why they are so popular right now, how you can create stunning digital artwork that sells, and most importantly, how you can build a successful brand around your digital print business. So get ready, because this is going to be one ride. The digital print market, a booming opportunity. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of creating and selling digital prints on Etsy, let's first take a step back and explore why this market has exploded in recent years. Digital prints have become increasingly popular due to their accessibility, affordability, and versatility. For customers, they offer an easy way to update their living spaces without breaking the bank. With a wide range of designs available at a click of a button, digital prints cater to diverse tastes and preferences. The environmental friendliness of digital prints also resonates with eco-conscious consumers, reducing the demand for physical prints. Moreover, the rise of digital art as a standalone medium has further fueled the popularity of digital prints, with many people seeing them as a more modern and cutting-edge alternative to traditional art forms. On Etsy, the demand for digital prints is particularly high, with thousands of sellers offering their unique designs. In fact, Etsy reports that the digital art and craft supplies category has seen a surge in interest, with searches for digital downloads increasing by over 120% year over year. This trend aligns perfectly with the current zeitgeist, where digital art is celebrated and consumers seek ways to personalize their living spaces. Furthermore, the low barrier to entry for digital prints makes it an attractive market for new sellers. Unlike physical products, digital prints do not require printing, shipping, or handling, which can significantly reduce overhead costs. With the right design skills and marketing strategy, anyone can launch a successful digital print business on Etsy. Creating compelling digital prints. Now that we've established the booming market for digital prints, it's time to dive into the creative process of designing eye-catching and marketable digital artwork. The possibilities within the digital print niche are vast, ranging from minimalist line art to vibrant watercolor paintings, from motivational quotes to whimsical illustrations. There is a huge demand for a variety of digital prints on Etsy. When it comes to creating your own designs, it's important to find your unique style and target market. Consider your artistic strengths and passions when deciding what type of digital prints to create. Are you skilled at creating intricate patterns? Do you have a knack for watercolor painting, or perhaps you excel at typography and graphic design? Identify what you enjoy doing the most and focus on developing those skills. Once you've honed your craft, research popular keywords and trending designs within the digital print niche. Use tools like Etsy Keyword Research Planner and Marmalade to discover what customers are searching for and buying. Analyze popular listings, identify common themes, colors, and styles, and incorporate those elements into your own designs. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow, but always keep in mind the preferences and interests of your target market. By combining your artistic abilities, market research, and an understanding of customer preferences, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling digital prints that stand out from the crowd. Crafting your Etsy brand. As you embark on your journey as a digital print seller on Etsy, it's crucial to establish a strong brand identity that sets you apart from the competition. Your brand should be reflected in every aspect of your digital print offerings, from the design aesthetic to your product titles and descriptions. To build a successful brand on Etsy, consider these key elements. First, develop a cohesive brand story that resonates with your target audience. What inspired you to start your digital print business? What values do you want to communicate through your designs? Sharing your story helps customers connect with you on a personal level and build trust. Next, identify your unique selling proposition, or USP. What makes your digital prints stand out from the rest? Is it your unique style, use of high-quality materials, or commitment to sustainability? Clearly communicate your USP in your product listings and marketing materials so that customers understand what sets you apart. Consistency is key when it comes to building a strong brand. Ensure that your logo, color palettes, typography, and overall visual style are consistent across all of your digital print products. This creates a sense of familiarity and recognition among customers, making your brand more memorable. In addition, use high-quality images and mock-ups to showcase your digital prints in the best possible light. Professional-looking images can make a significant impact on how customers perceive the quality of your designs. Finally, engage with the Etsy community and build relationships with other sellers and potential customers. By participating in forums, leaving thoughtful comments, and engaging on social media, you can increase brand awareness and establish yourself as a trusted seller. Remember, building a strong brand takes time and effort, but the payoff can be huge. Customers are more likely to purchase from brands they recognize and trust. By investing in your brand, you're setting yourself up for long-term success on Etsy. Marketing your prints. Once you've created a range of digital prints and established your brand identity, it's time to start marketing your products to reach your target audience. Effective marketing is essential to driving traffic to your shop and converting visitors into buyers. Here are some tips to help you promote your digital prints on Etsy. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords. Use Etsy's keyword research tools to identify popular search terms within your niche and incorporate them into your product titles, tags, and attributes. This will help your listings appear in search results when customers use those keywords. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your digital prints. Use persuasive language. Emphasize your USP and provide customers with a reason to buy from you. High-quality images are crucial for showcasing your digital prints. Use natural lighting and a clean background to photograph your prints and create realistic mock-up images that show how the prints would look in a real-life setting. Consider offering discounts and promotions to attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. Run targeted ad campaigns on Etsy and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Utilize Etsy's advertising platform or explore options like Google Ads and Facebook ads. By reaching out to influencers in your niche and collaborating on joint marketing campaigns, you can tap into their existing audience and gain new customers. Engage with the Etsy community by leaving thoughtful comments on other listings, participating in forums, and building relationships with potential customers. And don't forget the power of social media. Share your digital prints on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where users actively seek inspiration and products to purchase. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and engage with followers by running contests and offering exclusive discounts. By implementing these marketing strategies, you'll be able to promote your digital prints to your target audience, drive traffic to your Etsy shop, and ultimately increase sales. Scaling your Etsy business. If you're looking to monetize your passion for digital art, selling digital prints on Etsy can be a lucrative and rewarding venture. The platform provides a global marketplace for your artwork, allowing you to earn income while working from anywhere in the world. To maximize your earning potential, consider diversifying your product offerings. Instead of just selling individual digital prints, create and sell bundles of prints at a discounted price. This encourages customers to buy more from you and increases your revenue per transaction. You can also offer custom digital prints, allowing customers to personalize their artwork with their own names, dates, or special messages. Collaborate with other Etsy sellers to cross-promote your products and reach new audiences. For example, partner with a home decor seller to offer a bundle that includes your digital prints and their frames. By expanding your product line and exploring collaboration opportunities, you can tap into new customer segments and increase your income. Another way to scale your business is by offering premium digital print sizes. While standard 8 by 10 or 11 by 14-inch prints are popular, consider offering larger sizes for customers who want to make a statement in their homes. By providing high-quality, large-format prints, you can command a higher price and cater to customers seeking oversized artwork. To streamline your order fulfillment process, utilize digital download services. These services allow you to upload your digital prints once, and the platform automatically sends customers a link to download the files after purchase. This saves you time and ensures that customers receive their artwork promptly. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your earning potential on Etsy and continue to grow your digital print business. Remember, diversification, premium offerings, and efficient operations are key to maximizing profitability. As we wrap up our exploration of the Etsy digital print market, remember that the key to success lies in your ability to combine your creative talent, strategic planning, and effective marketing. The demand for digital prints is at an all-time high, and there's never been a better time to start your digital print business. Stay true to your brand, connect with your audience, and continuously improve your craft. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion for digital art into a thriving online business. So grab your laptop, unleash your creativity, and dive into the world of Etsy digital prints. Who knows? You might just create the next big thing.